Now, if that happens, they do have the potential to be on the strong to even severe side, especially from Wausau to the west. The area is shaded in yellow here under this level 2 slight risk for severe weather. Now, again, it's still on the low end of the spectrum, but if any storms do develop, they could potentially have some strong damaging winds and maybe some small hail with them as well. Those will be the biggest risks. I'm not concerned with the tornado risk with any of these storms, so some good news there. Now watch, you can see just within the next hour or two how these storms do develop off to our west and make their way towards us here by about 9 o'clock, starting to push into Clark and Taylor counties, and by about 11 o'clock making their way into Clark, Portage counties, Marathon counties, that line continuing to work its way off to the south and east throughout the night. By about 1 o'clock, it's down into Juneau and Adams counties, and then it makes its way out of here. After that, we should be quieter waking up tomorrow morning. Then going through the day tomorrow, quiet for most of the day, even clearing out a little bit into the afternoon, but more of those thunderstorms developing off to our west. And by the evening, some of those could make their way towards us. Now, notice how they are a little more hit or miss. I think the chances will go down tomorrow, but we're not going to rule out a few of those scattered storms afternoon and evening tomorrow. Friday looks to be quiet for most of us. Most of the action staying further off to our south. Not out of the question we could see some of those storms creep up maybe into Adams and Juneau counties, but that's probably going to be about it for us here going forward. Otherwise, still looks to be fairly quiet towards the end of the week and into the weekend as well. 83 the high for us tomorrow. We'll go 85 on Friday, mid-80s both Saturday and Sunday for the holiday weekend, and then continuing on from there, we do heat up a little bit. By the 4th of July, we're looking to get up to 88 degrees. We could see a few showers and storms late on the 4th of July, but I think the better chances will hold off until Wednesday.